Hello, sir. Good evening. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I am thank you for giving this opportunity.
I want to know about yourself something. Just please
Yes,
introduce.
yes. My name is Yashkumar. I am from the Rajasthan, beautiful state of Rajasthan, desert. You can say desert states and
Yes.
ancient Mewar region. Have you heard about Maharana Pratap?
Yes, I have heard.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
know very well.
Mewar region.
Yes.
Yes. Bhilwara district. Bhilwara is located the ancient Mewar and Uh, now is Bhilwara is located between Chittorgarh and Ajmer. Ajmer is famous for the Brahma temple, Moinuddin
Yes.
Chisti's Dargah, and Chittorgarh is famous for the Mewar region, ancient Mewar capital, and Bhilwara is famous for the textile industry and Manchester of the Rajasthan and Devnarayan temple, especially there are Kacha Makan in particular village in
Okay.
and last year Bollywood actor Akshay Kumar also visited this palace. And if you talk about my qualification, I have done graduation. And if you talk about my profession, now I am teaching in a private school as a teacher last 5 months. And if you talk about my hobby, my hobby is nowadays is learning English as well as reading books and novels and helping those person who wants to, I have some like knowledge and etc. That's all about me.
Wow, that's great, sir. It's a wonderful introduction of yours. So I'm very excited to know that you are also a private school teacher, and I think you have recently joined a school.
Yes, yes. Last you can say 4 5 months. Earlier I
Okay.
did this kind of work because of the livelihood, but some knowledge of the English and how to utilize my knowledge and how to gain some more knowledge. That's why I joined English
Yes.
and
Yes. Now I would like to know, like, which subject do you teach in your school? Are you teaching, I think, in private school?
yes, yes. I teach in my school English subject in Hindi medium school, and since last October months, you can say I
Okay.
teaching. I have been teaching since last October months, and that's why I want to learn this language. And earlier I mentioned I used to upload only solo videos through the
Yes.
newspaper. But last you can say couple 1 weeks I started upload conversational video.
So yes, sir. I also want to know about, as you are saying that earlier you were uploading only solo videos. So which type of differences nowadays you are finding, like by uploading this type of conversational, by having this type of conversational video? Means,
Yes,
are you observing any difference in your
yes,
speaking, in your confidence?
because of the first my improve my English, that is the first reason. And everywhere is demand English, and English is now a global language. And if you are able speak very well in English, uh, you have lots of opportunity. Like you teach another school for the good salary, but you are not able to speak very well. That time you face lot of difficulties, and every parents nowadays is wants to teach their students in a good school and in English medium school. That's why I switch through solo video to conversational video, because I want to improve myself. That is the
Yes.
main reason.
In this
Yes,
way only you can upskill your English, you can upgrade your English. when I started my journey, so I was only uploading solo video. But sir, what I realized, I was able to speak English, but I was not able to face any random people
Yes,
confidently. So
yes,
that was the problem that I faced, and also I realized like, yes, if we really want to upskill our English, so we have to face different people from the different part of the world. In this way only, if we face people by maintaining eye contact and body gesture, so in this way we are just observing each and everything from other side, and also we are feeling ourselves comfortable and calm. Means only if we are making our self talk video, and in this way only, just somewhere we are only feeling comfortable with ourselves, not with others. So as you mentioned, sir, that you are reading books also, novel type books and story type books, I think you are reading.
last year I got a chance to read Munshi Premchand books because I also belong a Hindi belt area, and in my school days I read some story Munshi Premchand, and because I really connect myself from the Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand explain each and everything from the rural background and poor people and ox and cow story and this type of story. That's I read that time Munshi Premchand. I think two or three books in
Okay.
Hindi.
So, sir, were those books in English
Yes,
or in Hindi?
these books are also available in English, but I'm not purchased and I'm not read in English. But I want to read again this book in English. And
Yes, sir.
yes, and because when I was in a college at that time, my lecturer, you can say my teacher, also told me, Ashok, you start novels like Hindi novels, and through the Hindi novel, you switch English novel. You make your habit, made your habit, you can say, and switch Hindi to English. But that time I'm not understand and I'm not able to. But after that, some years I realize that is the most valuable things for me or for my life. I would like to share a story, R.K. Narayan. That time I am not able to read any single words, and I purchased R.K. Narayan Hindi version also. And
Okay.
that's why first I read Hindi version, and that I again start English read English version, because
Yes.
you can say earlier 10 years ago that this type of facility not available. I faced lot of difficulties because uh, if you want any search any words, that time very difficulty. You have a big book, you can say big dictionary book,
Dictionary. I was also having.
but sometime I puzzled and become angry because adjective, noun,
Yes.
pronoun, and and nobody can who to teach me what is the noun, what is the adjective,
Yes.
what is the phrase, what is the sentence. But now is many facility. I start my journey through the one YouTube channel. He teach line to line. So I started my journey again, and last you can say last 2 years I read newspaper, and last 5 months I also read textbooks that is necessary for teaching for me in my school, and as well as I watch some conversational video.
Yes, sir, you are right. And as you mentioned about Munshi Premchand's book, that you have already read the book in Hindi version. So now
Yes,
I must suggest you that whatever book have you written, sorry, have you read in Hindi, try to
yes,
purchase the same book in English
Yes.
version. Yes, and then read. Then,
Yes.
as you already read and you knew all the things very well, so it will be very easy for you to comprehend. And
Yes.
only you can grab good things, good point from your reading when you comprehend whatever you
Yes.
are going to read. So this will be very useful for you.
In
Yes.
one character is relate to my mother, because I am a single mother child, and my mother's name same age to age in this book, in a particular Munshi Premchand's book. That's I whenever I read Munshi Premchand, I you can say I weep that time, because
Yes.
connect totally, because each and everything he explained many years ago with happened with me.
Yes, yes. Means you are completely relating your story to that
Yes, yes,
story.
yes.
Yes, this is a great thing. And in this
I,
way,
Godan and Gaban, uh,
Gaban, Godan, yes.
yes, uh,
And
two
Nirmala
books.
also, I think Munshi Premchand's book Nirmala, its name.
Yes, yes, many books, many books.
Many
Whenever
books, yes.
in future I definitely want to read in Munshi Premchand's all books, and I also connected one ma'am who also belong Kasi. She told me she visited Munshi Premchand's village, Lamhi village
Oh,
is
yes,
located
yes.
in Kasi, Banaras. Uh,
Yes, I know very well. Under the Munshi Premchand Lamhi gate, the Munshi Premchand gate,
yes,
I have also visited many times just because my lost families are residing in Varanasi. So
yes.
I mostly visit there.
Yes, yes. Munshi Premchand is a great
Yes.
writer of the, you can say, Hindi novels. And I also watch Mr. Vikas Divyakirti sir. He is a UPSC mentor.
Yes, I
Vikas,
know very well.
yes,
Vikas Kirti sir, I know. Means I think there's everyone know
yes,
about him.
yes. He is a great teacher. He is a very
Yes,
great teacher.
yes,
When
yes.
he upload any new video, I watch his video in very, you
I
can say,
I have also, sir, I have also watched his some of videos, and I can say like his each and every words means just
yes,
like
yes,
magic, magic. It's just
yes,
completely, it's touching our heart
yes, yes, yes. Great
directly.
teacher.
Touching. Yes.
Yes.
So you are teaching up to eighth standard.
Fourth grade to eighth standard. Eh,
So, sir,
Our
I would like to know about your teaching experience. Like as you are saying that you have recently started. So, how is your feeling about teaching? Are you enjoying or?
enjoying my teaching, and I want to improve myself. In
Yes.
uh, which position I have now, I want to improve myself, and I want to teach in effective manners, and through the YouTube, because I also belong a rural area, and I also belong a poor family, and in my family nobody can alive, because only my mother raised me and take care me, and that's why I faced lots of difficulties. I want to teach throughout my story, those students who are struggling because of English. And I am not good at English. That's why I'm not got any government job. But I am now able to teach students. Yes,
Are
yes.
you also speaking English with your student or not?
Yes, no, but I want to create environment in my school.
Yes, sir, definitely. You should create, and you are thinking great.
My, you can say my HM sir and my director sir, they usually say me, sir, you start English conversation in with the students, and because I started in five class only, because sometimes students are not ready to converse in English because some
In
agitation, because some not environment, because of fear, because of shyness. It's
yes,
happened,
sir.
but whenever I get chance, I uh, got motivate them. I tell some small stories. Still, I'm not telling. I am also uploading YouTube. I also have a YouTube channel, but I am not telling. Just I want to improve myself, and that time I would like to say I have YouTube channel, but I am not telling still.
And yes, sir, you are speaking good English and you are speaking comfortably and confidently. So this is great achievement in English. Just because we are going to speak English as a language only. So if we are comfortable in speaking and if we are comfortable in exchanging our thought ideas with other, so this is sufficient. Means in initial stage we should be feel satisfied. And yes, but day by day we should also try to think about upskilling our skill. Yeah,
Yes.
so definitely, if we are having burning desire in ourselves to upgrade our English and to enhance our English in better way, so definitely we will do this. So I am also just doing the same thing.
I appreciate your talking, and we will connect in future in another topic, and we will discuss.
Yes, sir, you are right. Yes, sir, definitely. We will connect very soon in future. And I must say it was quite fantastic conversation with you. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.